Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best LEGO Super Mario set yet. The LEGO Super Mario Adventures with Peach Starter Course. This fantastic buildable game is packed with interactive features that bring the beloved Mushroom Kingdom to life in a whole new way. If you're a fan of LEGO, Super Mario, or just love creative playsets, stick around, because this one is a must-see. The Adventures with Peach Starter Course set, designated as set number 71403, introduces us to interactive figures of Princess Peach, Lemmy, and Yellow Toad. This set is designed not just for building but for a rich, engaging play experience. Kids can interact with the figures and the various elements of the course, which includes iconic pieces like the start pipe, goal pole, and even a swing for Princess Peach. One of the standout features of this set is the interactive Princess Peach figure. She comes equipped with a color sensor, an LCD screen, and a speaker, which allows her to respond in real time as you play. Imagine the joy on your child's face as they see Peach react with different sounds and expressions while they navigate the course. What makes this set particularly exciting is the way it encourages imaginative gameplay. As children help LEGO Peach interact with the Yellow Toad figure and swing on her swing, they can earn digital coins and rewards from the flying. And if that's not enough, they can also feed her a red toy fruit, triggering joyful reactions and even more coins. There's also a challenge to launch the lava bubble and topple the Lemmy figure from his tower, adding an extra layer of excitement and competition to the play experience. This set truly embodies the spirit of Super Mario, combining fun with problem solving as kids strategize to complete the course and earn rewards. Another significant aspect of this set is its connectivity. The Princess Peach figure requires two AAA batteries, which are not included, but these batteries power the interactive features that make gameplay so dynamic. Moreover, the Peach figure can connect via Bluetooth with LEGO Luigi or Mario figures, creating opportunities for multiplayer action that kids are sure to love. For even more fun, the LEGO Super Mario app serves as a companion to this set, offering additional challenges, digital coins tracking, and new ways to play. It's an excellent tool for enhancing the overall experience, giving kids access to a world of possibilities right at their fingertips. Building the set is just as enjoyable as playing with it. The instructions are easy to follow, and the assembly process is a great way to bond with your kids. It's designed for ages 6 and up, making it accessible for young builders while still being entertaining for older fans of LEGO and Super Mario. The multicolor design and attention to detail in this set really stand out, capturing the essence of the Super Mario universe perfectly. Whether your child is a seasoned LEGO enthusiast or just starting out, this set is bound to spark their creativity and keep them entertained for hours. In conclusion, the LEGO Super Mario Adventures with Peach Starter Course is not just a toy. It's an entire interactive experience that combines the joy of building with the excitement of gaming. Whether you're looking for a birthday gift or just want to treat your kids to something special, this set is a fantastic choice. If you're interested in exploring this magical world, you can find the LEGO Super Mario Adventures with Peach Starter Course on Amazon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy building and gaming!